hello, welcome to Blake's Den, a rare video with me in front of the camera, and the reason why is I just wanted to say thank you because I've hit 500 subscribers. Really pleased with that. It blows my mind to think that there's 500 people out there who've enjoy watching my videos and just watch me messing about in the garage. Yeah, it just seems odd, but quite a good feeling at the same time. And when I set off to create videos like this, subscriber numbers was never the target. It was just I enjoyed doing it, and if it helped somebody out, then I was happy with that. But it is actually quite addictive watching that subscriber count go up. The next target is 1,000 because that unlocks some extra special features on YouTube. So hopefully we'll get to 1,000 faster than we got to 500. But as a way of a thank you, I'm going to give you a choice for what you can get for a 500 subscriber special video. So would you like a Will It Run project of something absolutely enormous? I'm not going to say what it is, but it's a massive vehicle. Or would you like a bit of a question and answer session with me? So you could say post some questions in the comment section of this video, and I'll go through those and I'll respond to those. Things like, you know, what's the biggest mistake you've made whilst working on a car? What sort of cars are you interested in? What equipment do you use in the garage? What equipment do you use to film this? I'll let you decide whatever you guys want. So it's Will It Run or question and answers. So put your answer in the comments below. So once again, thank you very much. Usual thing, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. If you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, why not? It costs you nothing. Just click the little subscribe button below and the little notification icon, and you'll get notified of all the latest videos. And you can also follow me on Instagram at Blake's Den. So thank you all, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.